Hello friends, in this video we learn about synthesis of pyrimidine ribonucleotides. The pathway of pyrimidine synthesis is described below. Glutamine transfers its amido nitrogen to CO2 produce carbamyl phosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase. Second, prokaryotes have only one carbamyl phosphate synthetase which is responsible for the biosynthesis of arginine and pyrimidine. Carbamyl phosphate condenses with aspartate to form carbamyl aspartate. This reaction is catalyzed by ATPase, that is aspartate transcarbamylase. Dihydroorotase catalyzes the pyrimidine ring closure with a loss of H2O. Next step in pyrimidine synthesis is an NAD plus dependent dehydrogenation leading to the formation of orotate. Ribose 5-phosphate is now added to orotate to produce OMP, that is orotidine monophosphate, catalyzed by orotate phosphoribosyl transferase. OMP undergoes decarboxylation to form uridine monophosphate. By an ATP dependent kinase reaction, UMP is converted to UDP. UDP undergoes ATP dependent kinase reaction to produce UTP. CTP is synthesized from UTP by amination. CTP synthetase is the enzyme and glutamine provides the nitrogen. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.